Guys, welcome back to my channel, Creative Nikki. If you're new to my channel is about hair, beauty, fashion, fitness and lifestyle. So guys, today I'm going to be using my avocado face mask again. Reason being for that is yesterday when I used it on my face was feeling tight. It was feeling smooth like velvet, and actually I've noticed some stuff, but I don't want to talk so soon. So I want to try it today again. I want to apply it today again because I want to continue using it for about a week to see the actual result, because I'm telling you, my skin is feeling tight like I've done surgery. Like, honestly, I won't lie. It's just, guys, when you see that I woke up today to do it again, you must know that I'm feeling something, I'm seeing something. And I also want to apply it to my hair also. So guys, before you do that, if you want, you can check out the video how I make the mix. You don't have to add oatmeal or honey if you don't want, or lemon. It's just optional, guys. You can just use the avocado by itself. So if you want, you can check out my video how I make this mix, but I'm going to be applying it to my face. But before I do that, I wash my hands thoroughly, and I've also washed my face. As you can see, my face is looking clean, and I'm telling you guys, I am not gonna lie, I've tried other stuff on my face, but my face, I've never felt like this before. I'm telling you, it feels couple years younger, like I've had a surgery. So as I said, my hands are clean, my face is clean as well. So I'm going to be applying it, and this is contained of avocado, honey, lemon and oatmeal with a bit of water. So now I'm going to be applying it. I kept it in my refrigerator, guys. So I took it out, let it, like, you know, room temperature. Get to room temperature first. And now I'm applying it on my face. Let me see. It smells like avocado. I don't even know. But guys, I'm telling you, it works. Just today my face, even today my face is feeling tight. I'm going around the eyes. Oh yes, also guys, and I've also got cod liver oil in mine, because it's good for muscles and bones. And I'm trying to tighten up my muscles in my face and my bones. Remember to rub it on the neck as well. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, you lot should try this. Try this out and then tell me how it works for you. If it works for me, it will work for you too. So give it a go, as I would say, and let me know. So I'm rubbing this all over my face. You can rub it on your lips. It's all natural ingredients. It probably tastes nice as well because it's got let me taste it. It's tasting nice. It tastes like a salad seasoning. It tastes piss, guys. I'm gonna actually make that for my salad. With some onion in it, and it tastes like a salad dressing. Guys, just nice. Rub on the neck as well. I'm gonna apply some on my hands, fingers as well. Yeah. Rub it on the neck. The neck needs it. And now I'm gonna remove this headscarf. So I'm gonna put some on my hair. So I'm gonna apply it on my hair, rub it in. So guys, avocado is good for hair, skin, for eating. Avocado is powerful. It is. I don't want to dip back that in there because I've got a next mix, so I'm going to be applying the rest off camera onto my hair. My forehead needs some more. So guys, I'm going to be trying this out for a week and you lot can see the results. Because yesterday I felt that tightness in my skin after washing it off. I kept it on for, I said I was going to keep it on for about an hour. Had a little rest, guys. I had a little rest because YouTube got me worked out. I'm tired, so I'm just sleeping these days. These days I'm sitting down and I'm falling asleep. You know, my body needs to rest, so I'm resting. When sleep take me off, I just go. Because some days I'm up like crazy. There you have it, guys. Avocado. No, like, be frank. Look at this. Look at this. It's like it's a cocoa butter. Hang on. Is this what they used to make cocoa butter? Anyway, guys, as you can see, it's all dissolved. Thank you all for watching. Have a amazing day. One love. See you all on the flip side.